Hello, my name is Richard Blanco. In addition to being a poet, I'm also an engineer. And as such, I've always been interested in exploring ways in which my science and math background intersect with my poetry. This is one such poem, which was inspired by the Heisenberg principle. It's a contrapuntal poem, which means it can be read one of two ways. Either the left column and then the right column, as you do with a newspaper, or straight across from left to right, but not both ways at the same time. Hence the connection to the Heisenberg principle. But in this poem, with respect to our being, how we can be certain of some things in our lives, but not everything at the same time. Uncertain C principle. The more I try to measure X, the less I can measure Y. The more I know where I am, the less I know where I'm going. I scribble my name across the sand. The burnt orange moon rises, cools, disappears. The more I know where I'm going, the less I know how to get there. The ebb of each wave seduces me. Silhouettes of sailboats asleep till morning. The more I know how to get there, the less I know when I'll arrive. Freighter lights burn on the horizon like candelabras floating toward port. Sea oats sway to the wind's pitch like inverted pendulums of timelessness. The more I know when I'll arrive, the less I know where I am. The tide rises on cue to kiss the shore. Seagulls abandon the sea every night. The less I try to solve for Y, the more I can solve for X. The less I know where I am, the more I know where I've been. Rustling palms protest losing their green to the darkness. The sea gives and gives itself to the shore, yet returns again and again to itself. The less I know where I've been, the more I know who I can be. The ocean vanishes into the midnight sky. The midnight sky vanishes into the ocean. The less I know who I can be, the more I know who I am. There's no horizon in the stark night. Even in the dark, my eyes shape clouds. The less I know who I am, I erase my name with a wave of my palm. The more I know that I am here. I clutch a fistful of sand, breathe, listen. The more I try to determine my I, the less I can determine myself.